All right, hi. We are on Go Math lesson 10.3. We are discussing three-digit addition, regrouping tens today. The last lesson we did, we were regrouping ones. That means if the ones place as value was larger than 9, then we had to bring it over to the tens place. Today's main lesson is if the tens place value is the value of the two tens, if you put them together and they make more than 9, then how you have to regroup to the hundreds place. Let's learn more about this. It says use pictures to model the problem. Draw quick pictures to show how you did. So the first problem, we're going to draw our shapes, our pictures there. It says on Monday 253 children visited the aquarium. So that's 253 is 200s, 5 tens, and 3 ones. On Tuesday, 324 children visited the aquarium, so that's 324. How many children visited the aquarium on those 2 days? So let's find out. First, whenever we add, we start adding the ones or the hundreds first. The ones, very good. So let's add the ones place first. We have 4 plus 3 is 7. Do I have to regroup anything? No. How about the tens? We have 5 plus 2 is 7. Did I have to regroup? No. How about the hundreds? We have 3 plus 2 is 5. Guys, you have to be writing this down. I'm going to check and make sure you have it down. So if you choose not to, that's on you. Okay, moving on. It says add the ones. So it's showing us how to do it elevator escalator way. It says the first thing you need to do is add the ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then you need to add the tens. 4 plus 8 is what? 12. So the 1 goes in the hundreds place and the 2 stays in the tens place. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So your answer is 427. Ms. Yusuf, why 2 plus 4? I don't see 2 plus 2. I see 2 plus 1 plus 1. Well, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? And then you ask yourself 2 plus 2 is 4. Pretty easy. Then it shows you how to do that using blocks. So the final answer for that one was 427. We can go ahead and trace that. 427. All right, let's look at the problems that they give us. 1 plus 7 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. So the 3 goes in the tens place and the 1 goes in the hundreds place. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. What's your answer?
638.
Now, are we going to regroup with all of these? No, they may trick us. Like, let's look at number 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Did I have to regroup here? No, I did not have to regroup here. Ms. Yusuf, why did they put these empty boxes? Just to trick you. So if you want to put an X in them, you can. If you just want to ignore them and leave them blank, you can. All right, number 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 goes in the tens place, and the other one goes in the hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 519. Very, very simple. All right, you can go ahead and pause the video now. I need you to solve number 4 through 9. Okay, let's see what you've done. Let's go over some of these together. What's 4 plus 7, class? 11. 1 goes in the ones place and 1 goes in the tens place. What's 1 plus 2, class?
3.
What's 3 plus 5? Good, 8. Guys, make sure you're checking your answers, okay? Don't just keep on going. Now you need to focus with me and check your answers. 1 plus 2 is 3. Did I have to regroup in the hundreds place? No, but I did regroup in the tens place. Let's look here at number 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 0 is, and 2 plus 4 is. Did I have to regroup at all here? No, that was a very easy problem. Let's try the next one. 4 plus 2 is, 4 plus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 stays here, and the 1 goes up to the hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is 736. Number 7, 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 stays here. Very good, Dustin. You're getting fast. 0 stays in the ones place, and the 1 goes in the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. What's your answer? 390. 4 plus 5 is, 1 plus 3 is, and 3 plus 4 is. What's your answer? Very good. 3 plus 2 is, 5 plus 5 is, so 0 goes here. The 1 goes in the hundreds place. 1 plus 7 is, and 8 plus 1 is. What's your answer? 905. Okay. Let's go ahead and watch the video for this lesson. 10.3. All right.
Hey, Joey, where are you today?
Oh, hi, Mrs. Sandoval. I'm here at the fruit market where Mr. Olson and Mr. Lee are selling their fruit.
Great.
Hi, Mr. Olson has a question for us.
All right, let's take a look. These lists show the pieces of fruit sold. How many pieces of fruit did Mr. Olson sell? We first need to figure out which list we want, Mr. Olson's or Mr. Lee's.
Mr. Olson!
Very good, Joey, Mr. Olson's. Now, all we have to do is add 157 apples and 251 plums to get the number of pieces of fruit that Mr. Olson sold.
That's a lot.
That is. We're going to use a quick picture to help us with this addition.
Great.
So we have 100, 5 tens, and 7 ones to show 157. 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 1 one to show 251.
Got it.
Now let's go ahead and add the ones. We have 7 here and 1, that makes 8. Now, Joey.
Yeah.
Do you know why we don't write anything in this box here in the tens digit?
Could you remind me again?
Yeah, of course. Well, we didn't write anything because we don't need to regroup the ones as tens.
Okay.
There's only 8 ones. Let's go on and move to the tens digit, or the tens place.
Okay.
We can regroup 10 tens.
Oh, into, the 100.
Very good. Into the 100. So now we have 100.
It's so cool.
So you see, because we have 10 tens, and now those 10 tens become 100, we actually do not need this anymore.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So now, how many tens do we have?
We don't have any
We
anymore.
don't have any, so we place a 0 in the tens digit.
Cool.
Next, we have the hundreds place. And how many hundreds do we have here?
Well, there's 4 blocks.
4. Good job.
I'm getting good at this.
You are getting good at this. And you know, Joey, one thing we forgot to do?
What?
This 100 here, we need to account for it, and we're going to place it there. Because remember, we already have the 1 from this one and the 2 from here, but we need to account for that one.
Yeah, I would need to do that because I would forget.
Let's write a 4 in the hundreds place. So Joey, Mr. Olson sold 408 fruits in all.
Sally, that's great. Hey, thanks, Mrs. Sandoval.
Oh, you're welcome, Joey.
Oh, I better go tell Mr. Olson the answer.
Okay, great.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh, who put that banana peel there?
Join us next time for some more fun with math puzzles.
Give me a
Joey,
hand.
are you
Give me a
okay?
hand.
You okay? Oh.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Silly banana peel.
Okay. Let's go ahead and open up the lesson again. So these lists show the pieces of fruit sold. You can open your books now. How many pieces of fruit did Mr. Olson sell? So that's easy. Who did they ask about? Mr. Olson. These lists show. Did you guys hear that? These lists show the pieces of fruit sold. How many pieces of fruit did Mr. Olson sell? So we're only adding Mr. Olson. That's actually a very simple problem. 257, elevator, escalator, please. Plus 281. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 5 plus 8 is 3, 1. 2 plus 2 is, plus 1 is, so how many? 538. Very good. Very easy, very simple. All right, let's look at the next one. Who sold more pieces of fruit? How many more? So first we have to find out who. We know that Mr. Olson sold 538. Right? But we don't know how much Mr. Lee sold. So now we have to add how much Mr. Lee sold. So Mr. Lee sold 314 plus 229. Now find out how much Mr. Lee sold. I'll give you a minute to solve that problem. Four plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So Mr. Lee sold 543. Now, who sold more? Mr. Lee. 543 is greater than 538. So who sold more? Mr. Lee. And then the second question is how many more? So we have to find out how many more. What does that how many more mean you have to do? Subtract. Very good, Brenaya. How many more is the key word for subtract. You can box that. So how many more did these two men sell? So you have to subtract. When you subtract, big number has to go on top of your answers wrong. 543 take away 538. Okay, 3 take away 8. Can I do that? No, because 3 is smaller than 8. You have to borrow from the tens place. What does the 4 become? A 3, and the 3 becomes a 13. Now what's 13 take away 8? 5. 3 take away 3 is 0. 5 take away 5 is 0. What's your answer? 5. So Mr. Lee sold 5 more pieces of fruit than Mr. Olson. Alright, so now you're going to complete page 326, 327, and 328 on your own. When you are done with that, if you look in your week 3 packet or baggie, you're going to see math lesson 44 in there, and it's a 3-digit scramble. You need to finish this and the page staple to it, okay? So that's all you're going to do for math today. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you later. Bye.